Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to access the social emotional learning content out of Nearpod because it's going to be a fantastic tool to help get your kids connected and conversing around social emotional aspects or information. So first of all, you're going to want to get to the Orange USD dashboard and then click on the Nearpod icon, which will bring you probably here or straight into Nearpod's library. If it lands you here, you just want to log in by going to login. And then you're going to choose the Google authentication to log in. Use your Google email, not your Google email, but your district email information, and that should pull you in here each and every time, which is the library for Nearpod. Once inside the library for Nearpod, you have several options. One of them is your library, which should show all of your classes that are in here. Then as you scroll down, you'll see that there's other libraries, and if you're looking for the social emotional learning library, it's the one located here. Once I click on this link, it changes the library over here on the right to all the social emotional learning content. In that social emotional learning content, these are all bundles that exist. And as you can see, they change colors based on kind of the subject. Check-ins are quick resources. Social emotional learning stories are about stories and how they've impacted and so on and so forth, with mindsets, lifelong learning strategies. In each of these bundles, then you can see there's numerous lessons. This one has 24, this one has 33, this one has 10. If I want to preview this bundle, I click on it, or I can add the entire bundle to my library. In this case, I want to just pick maybe one or two. So I'm clicking on that preview. Over on the right, you'll see related content. Those are not the actual lessons. The lessons are further down here that are inside this bundle. And then, of course, you can see a link down here that says see full bundle content. If I click on that, you can now see all 10 lessons that are inside of this lesson here. When I click on one of these, again, it's a preview. I'm just looking at a preview of the lesson. You can actually then go through the preview to see if it's something you want to deliver by clicking on preview and walking through the slides and seeing what the students will have to engage in. It even gives you times. And then if you love this lesson, this is the one you want to deliver, click on add to my library. It's then going to pull you back over to your library, to my library in Nearpod. If I click on show my library, it should pull me back over to my library so I can see it. And now I can start to deliver it. And there's two ways to deliver, either live participation or student paced. If you do a live participation, you're doing it with the entire class, so it's like your live instruction in a video conferencing setting. If you're doing student paced, you're giving out a link and the students are going through it on their own. And once it's in there, you can always find these lessons back under your library. If I click on Nearpod here, it brings me back to this home page. And now you can see I have this lesson that has been added to my library. That should do it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. And now you should be able to find your Nearpod social emotional learning content as well. Have a great day.